Bienvenue, welcome and wonderful state of Goa. मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ. गोवा के लैंग्वेज में कहूँ तुमका सगळ्यांक खूप खूप येवकार. It's wonderful to say bienvenue the 80 plus delegations from the MNC of France. We have senior management from aviation jet Airbus, from aerospace and defense in the Saffron Valley, hospitality Accor, the pharmaceutical Sanofi, and so many others. So many MNCs from France present shows the deep bonds that the France and India have. In October, our defense minister accepted the firefighter jet from Rafale. In August, in Paris, the PM Narendra Modi said, 21st century will talk of infra. I would like to say that for me, it is in plus fra, and which means the alliance between in means India, fra is France. And again, we can say the India plus France, we can do so much things together. There are 345 French companies invested in India, almost 5 billion euros. 112 of these companies have R&D facilities. These are contributing to Make in India. There is a great pool of the talent in R&D in Goa. IT is another area of growth. This business house have gone around the state of Goa. They have realized that Goa is not only the touristic paradise, but also the land of opportunity for the business in various sectors. Already we have the Sanofi in pharmaceuticals, Canopy Chemicals in aerospace and defense, the Alivia in packing, and so many others. What has been experienced of these French companies in Goa? Access to the great market of India, logistic and connectivity by sea, air, land and rail, the great talent pool of young educated workers, the stable business environment and business and invest destination, the tourism economy backed by the thousands of business. Now, what can incoming the France company now expect from Goa? The better infrastructure, we have seen the highways under construction, the smart city development of Belgium, the new airport of Mopa, which we are completing by September 2021, ideal state of the blue economy, we were maritime states, 30-day clearance from IPB, the growing IT hub with good IT policy, an efficient startup and industrial policy, the quick response from the regulators and the government of Goa.